For China, which continues its inimical attitude in Ladakh, India's new submarine-launched ballistic missiles or SLBMs K5 and K4 will turn out to be a nightmare. This is because with the induction of K5 and K4 SLBMs, India will gain the capability to strike at a range of up to 5,000 kilometers. Thus, India will be able to give a befitting reply to China through seas. A new report says that India has made progress in the development of its K5 SLBM. Within the next 15 months, this nuclear-capable missile, which will arm India's future ballistic missile submarines, may be tested by the Defence Research and Development Organization, or DRDO. K5 is the third SLBM that India is working on. India's first submarine-launched ballistic missile, K15, has already been inducted into service. It arms INS Arihant, the only operational SSBN that India currently has. This missile has a stated range of around 750 kilometers and it has undergone tests many times over past several years. With its short range, the K15 won't be able to strike at China or its industrial centers during a conflict unless the submarine is taken close to the Chinese coastline in the South China Sea. But according to experts, this movement will make the submarine more vulnerable to attacks. India is developing K4 and K5 SLBMs to end this limitation. While the K4 has a range of around 3,500 kilometers, the K5 will be able to strike targets at a range of about 5,000 kilometers. Using a K5, an Indian SSBN can hit targets of strategic value in China from the Indian Ocean. India has tested the K4 SLBM many times in the past. In January this year, the missile was tested twice in 5 days. Reports say the development of the missile is complete and it is ready to enter series production. The K5, however, is still in development stage and no test has been done with it. Meanwhile, India's second SSBN, INS Arigat, is currently undergoing trials and it may enter service within the next 6 months. News Desk, Kaumudi English.